What's up guys, welcome back to Pascalini Productions. I'm Pasco, and today we're checking out the Chauvet Strike Array 2. The Strike Array 2 is an IP65 rated blinder from Chauvet. The design utilizes glass lenses that can easily be broken if mishandled. The replacement lens is a more durable plastic, which is a good thing. Being that this is an IP rated fixture, we have to ensure that the seal is watertight once we complete the reinstallation. Let's head into the shop and check it out. First, I'll strip the yoke to make the body of the fixture easier to handle. Then, I'll remove the grate from the lens. Next, I'll remove the 6 screws holding the front and back sections of the body together. Next, I'll free the head from its mount. To free the lens housing, I'll remove the screws from the back. With the lens housing free, I can now remove the damaged lens. With the old lens removed, I'm going to clean off the surface of the lens housing and remove any old sealant or residue that might still be there, so I get a nice watertight seal on the reinstallation. Once the lens housing is prepped, I can install the new lens. We're going to use Loctite silicone sealant to keep all water from getting into this housing. After letting the sealant dry overnight, I'm going to test the seal. It seems to be watertight, so I'm going to reinstall this lens and get this fixture back together. With the fixture back together, I'm going to run it through the quality control sequence and get it back into our inventory and on to the next show. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments and be sure to subscribe.